please, Prayagraj. It is at C Block, Kareli. Come join global coaching classes from nursery to class 12th. We are also giving you a platform for spoken English and personality development. We have two different schemes, ma'am, for spoken English. One is a basic course for housewives, for girls who are at home. They don't know, they are at zero level for English language. So we will train them in global coaching classes for English speaking skills. Like for example, English vocabularies for kitchen. What you need to talk when you are at your home with your family members. So I am giving you an invitation, please. Tomorrow onwards my batches are starting. First batch on the occasion of 76th celebration of Independence Day. I take this initiative of starting a spoken English and personality development session in global coaching classes. And let me tell you, Fareen ma'am, to work with a colleague like you is a mind-blowing experience. How should I tell? It is an elegance. I am talking out of my gratification that Fareen ma'am, you have done a good job to start with the science students lectures or biology, chemistry, physics with class 9, 10, 11, 12. I would also request you to appeal to the audience who are watching right now, my YouTube channel, Empowering Education, to come here and take admission. They should definitely benefit from your quality education. Ma'am is very talented. I am telling you, as far as the English conversation is concerned, I definitely want her to join in spoken English classes also with me. She has given her outstanding lecture in science. What I have experienced, I generally listen to her lecture when she is teaching to students. She is going to the ground root level for science. So students come here and experience your science subject with Fareen ma'am, for biology, chemistry, physics. She is awesome. She is also an English teacher. So please come join global coaching classes. You can experience her quality education. Fareen ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, Afreen ma'am, for your compliment. It means me a lot. Ma'am given me an open platform for teaching, and I have a very good experience with my students also. Please, all the students, I have a request. If you are not getting any coaching, please come here. Okay? We give you very free environment, very frank to the teachers, the students which are coming here. So I would like to inform all the students, if you are not doing any coaching, please come. We give you an open platform here for teaching. And ma'am has announced already that she is starting English speaking classes. So please enroll and come. Okay? Thank you.
I would definitely love Fareen ma'am to share her experience. Ma'am, how is your experience of working with global coaching classes? How do you find it different? What is so much exciting about global coaching classes?
Yeah. Actually, when I come at the first day, when I talk with Afreen ma'am, it was very comfortable with talking with my ma'am, and it was my pleasure to talk with Afreen ma'am. And in this coaching, she provides every facilities, everything she provides, and I have very good experience here. Means the students that were coming here, they are also so good. So I have very good experience that I have never experienced before. So please enroll here for the new students. Okay?
Seriously, again, those who are watching me, please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe. I would definitely request Fareen ma'am to forward the same to her contacts. Definitely she is going to do. But again, I am telling you ma'am, on this platform I am addressing to people that I am so much blessed to have you as my colleague. I want people to know her talent. She is complimenting me right now. Definitely I have that caliber, she has experience, but then I would definitely want her to be exploring in global coaching classes her career, and I want her to share her Independence Day. This time for the first time I have started at my center, because my coaching is a new venture now. So how was your experience of a flag hoisting ceremony when you joined us? How was all about? Please let us know.
Actually, before this day, I was just like a student. But now, Ma'am provided me a platform that gave me the opportunity as a teacher. And on this day, she gave me a huge respect that as a teacher, she commands me, she gave me every respect that I all need. So on this day, I really appreciate ma'am that she gave me such a beautiful platform as a teacher. So thank you ma'am that you have given this day as Independence Day. So this is my first Independence Day as a teacher I have celebrated. Thank you so much ma'am that you have given me this platform. And ma'am.
Seriously, out of my gratification, I am telling this experience, ma'am, that I have met so many people in my life, whether it be a teacher or doctor or lawyer. There are people who are down to earth. Definitely, I have met the experience. But then, I am sharing my experience. Right now, I am sitting with her. She is being so much humble today. I was so much like there was an excitement also, and there was a little bit nervousness also that, ma'am, it is all first experience. So let me tell you, Prayagraj, it was very difficult. If she wouldn't have given me a comfortable platform, all the way she came, she has given her so much precious time. She was also invited to other schools, colleges. She gave me a chance to explore in global coaching classes with a comfort level, my work experience over here. As a director, I would definitely, ma'am, love to work with you. And I really wish that you get many platforms. Because in Independence Day, as I have said earlier also in my speech, that what is independence? Independence is all about sacrifice. So I mean, here you have today sacrificed so much of your valuable time and you have given to me. This is just an awesome experience. Fareen ma'am, thank you so much. I really wish you a mind-blowing career ahead. And I really wish that the students, learners, mentors, coaches of global coaching classes are going to have a very nice atmosphere over here. So have a blissful day, all of you. With this I am closing my experience of today's Independence Day. Again wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.